Hurricane Headquarters, sponsored by Entergy.
Welcome back. Looking at the southern Gulf of Mexico, nothing has developed officially as of yet, but they're watching. They're thinking that we could see Tropical Storm Francine by later on today as this thing is starting to get organized right now. Still can't find a center of circulation out there, so it's still a potential tropical cyclone. But you can see throwing a lot of rain up towards northern parts of Mexico into Brownsville, Padre Island for this morning. Here's the latest from the National Hurricane Center on potential tropical cyclone 6. Winds are at 50, so it has the winds to become a tropical storm. Just doesn't have the organization as of yet. Moving to the northwest at about 5 miles per hour. Good news with the track. This track is going to be taking it a little bit farther east than it was yesterday at this time. So instead of Cameron Parish, it might be as far as Vermilion Parish over towards south central Louisiana. That's going to happen sometime on Wednesday. Here's a little bit closer look. They expect it to become maybe Hurricane Francine as we head towards Wednesday afternoon, with winds at about 80 miles per hour, and then move in sometime Wednesday evening towards, like I said, maybe eastern Cameron Parish or Vermilion Parish, right towards Lafayette, Baton Rouge, where we can get the brunt of this storm, it looks like. We should be far enough towards the west that we might pick up 25 to 35 mile an hour wind gusts, maybe a couple of inches of rain. But if this thing continues to shift off towards the east, we won't even see that. It could wobble back to the west, and we might see a little bit more of that, maybe 2 to 4 inches of rain and wind gusts up around 40, 45 miles an hour if it shifts back a little bit towards the west. On the current track, though, like I said, expecting maybe about 30, 35 mile an hour wind gusts with maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain, especially down towards the coast. And after it makes landfall, it's going to continue to move off towards the north, so this is not going to stall out. It's going to continue to move out of here pretty quickly. Our weather impact for Wednesday, heavy rain possible with some winds, maybe 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. Of course, outdoor activities will be affected, especially closer towards the coast. And if you're traveling, especially off towards the east, you're going to run into a lot of problems, especially getting over to south central Louisiana. Maybe you want to curve your travel plans for Wednesday if you're trying to go that way and wait for maybe Thursday into Friday.